Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Bella Fashionista. In today's video I'm going to be doing how to do easy feather cut at home, and I'm going to show you super simple and the easiest way as usual. So many of you requested me to do this video, so I came up with this, and I hope this video would be really helpful to you all. So let's get into the video. So firstly, draw a part down the middle of your hair from the top of your forehead. Slide your fingers around the section and slowly pull down until your fingers are ½ inch above from the tips. Now start cutting vertically instead of horizontally to get a feathered look. So this time I have decided to keep my fringes a little longer. So once you have finished cutting, divide it in half and let your hair frame the face. Now I am dividing my hair into two sections and I am starting from my left side. Basically take a strand of your hair from the behind and take a strand of your hair which you have cut already as a length guide. Pull this section of hair away from your face. This will help the feathered layers frame your face naturally. As you can see, the extra and uneven hair which are to be trimmed. When you look in the mirror, your hair should be in front of the nose. That means you should use the nose level trick as shown in this video. Check the shape of your hair after you have cut each section. Now grab one more section from the behind and use the front section that we have cut already as a length guide. To get the perfect shape throughout the whole process, I am gonna use the nose level trick, which is bringing your hair to the nose level and then cut across. So following this trick will help create that feathered voluminous look. As you can see, we have achieved great shape to the hair. And take one more section from the behind and use previous sections as length guide and start cutting. Continue doing this with the help of front section guidelines. Double check everything by pulling your hair evenly. Any uneven sections should be trimmed to a proper length to ensure they are symmetrical. After you have cut each section, cross-check the length and the shape of your haircut. Keep doing this until the left side of the sections are done. Just use previous section as a length guide and then cut across. And do not forget to use the nose level trick to get that perfect shape. And this is my last section from the left side. So the one side of the haircut is done. We have got the pretty good shape, and always keep checking whether you get the perfect shape or not. Now let us do the same process on other side. Grab the guideline along with some extra hair and then start cutting. Always check the nose level before you cut your hair. As I have mentioned, checking the nose level is very important because it gives the perfect shape and length to your haircut. Grab the guideline along with some extra hair, check the nose level and then cut it. my haircut is done, let us see the final look.